In this lab, you'll assign a license to a user in the Microsoft Entra Admin Center. You'll begin by clicking the Identity dropdown. Once you've expanded the Identity section, you'll click the Users dropdown to display available user management options. Next, you'll click All Users to view the full list of users in the tenant. You'll assign a license to Chris Green, so you'll click on Chris Green's name to view his account. You'll then click Licenses to see what licenses have been assigned to Chris. You'll then browse to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center link to open the Admin Center. Once in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, you'll click the Users icon in the left pane to view and manage active users in the Microsoft 365 environment. You'll then click Active Users to display the list of current users. Next, you'll click on Chris Green's name to view his account information within the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. You'll then browse to Licenses and Apps to view, assign, and update licenses for this user. In this lab, you'll assign a Microsoft Entra Suite license to Chris by checking the box next to Microsoft Entra Suite. After assigning the license, you'll click Save Changes to apply the license assignment. You'll then close the licensing pane. To continue, you'll switch back to the Microsoft Entra ID environment and you'll refresh the licenses page for Chris Green to update the view and ensure the newly assigned license is shown in the Entra Admin Center. Finally, you'll complete the lab by clicking Overview to return to the user's overview page.